Oh, Swedish food store, IKEA. Swedish food market. Now we see what they have. And they have Salomon.
And with Ingvar Kamprad himself. Over the course of 10 months, Severin hardly left the kitchen.
But we cannot see that now.
He put his
This
heart
is
and
the
soul into
best.
finding the right recipe.
Today's offer. 50% off. All meatballs. Buy many. It's very cheap.
Yeah, very
I'm from Sweden. We buy 6 of this packet.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good in the fridge.
Until the restaurants could start serving IKEA versions of Swedish meatballs. Every time
Here they have beer. IKEA beer. And they go down in price. 65 peso for IKEA lager. 65. Oh, this also, they had Kalles caviar here. 220 peso. Kalles caviar. You have it on the sandwich or on the egg. If you have boiled egg, you put little on top of the boiled egg. It's nice. Maybe I do that. See, if you buy many of this meatball, because today it's very, very cheap. They have Swedish chips, Estrella, but I think the price is little expensive. 240 peso for that chips. Här OLV, and that is Estrella, 240. That's 50 Swedish. I think home is half this price, maybe a little less. But there, that was the bottle they have extra price on. Kafferep. Cookies, 65 peso instead of 95. So take this too. Here they have hard bread. Ooh. 40 crowns, Swedish. That's very expensive, very small. Isn't it? Oh. But here they have also. There was this, 195. Okay, we can take one. Maybe it's nice. And here you have chocolate cake. Choklad in Swedish. Choklad. And it's 95 peso for chocolate. And it's how many gram? 100 gram of this. This is very nice chocolate. This geisha. They want 565 for a box of geisha. 24 pieces in that. Babe, hi.
Dear customers, gentle reminder to please take your personal belongings while you shop. Thank you.
Here you can build your own house. Pepparkakshus, gingerbread house. And it's new. You build it together. It cost no price. Ah, there it is. 320 peso for that peppercorn sauce. Cinnamon house. And the cinnamon looks like this also. This is 600 gram of them. And for this 600 gram, the price is 360 peso. Yeah, then only payment left.